Hi, in this video, what I am going to tell you, in the previous video, what I have done, I have already told you how can we do simple arithmetic questions and solutions in the Matlab. Now I'm moving towards one step forward and I want to make you guys zero to hero. So first of all, what I am going to tell you is that, for example, I want to provide the number. For example, I want to store some value in the x is equals to 25, y is equals to, for example, 75, and I want to add x plus y. So what answer I'm getting it? I am getting 100. For example, the value stored in ANS stands for answer over here. So ANS, the whatever the value stored in ANS, I want its square. So what I have to do, I have to put caps 2. So I whatever the value in the ANS, that is 100, and now it makes it 100 square. So I got it what? 10,000. So the next step, what I am going to tell you is that SQRT, a square root, and I want answer to the value of answer, that is 10,000. I want to take its square root. So I got 100 now. So the next thing, what I am going to tell you, I have already provided and stored the number in the x and y. And for example, I am going to do SQRT, and you must remember that you have to use square bracket, x plus y. So the answer, what I am going to get it, x plus y is this. So I got a square root of x plus y. So I want to take a square of, for example, I want to caps. So let me do caps 3, and I want its answer. And what I am going to do, SQRT is in within the bracket. I have to write down ANS. So I got it 125. So these are the simple equations that you can solve it. And the next thing, what I want to clear this window. So what I have to do, I have to use the command CLC, clear screen. So now you can see the screen is clear. So the next thing which I'm going to tell you is that, for example, I want to put number x plus y is equals to, for example, I want the value of x plus y. So I got the answer 100 because already the value is stored in x and y. I have already provided it. So the next thing which I am going to tell you is that x equals to 16 plus y, and I am going to use semicolon over here. So when I use semicolon over here, it means that it is not going to give me the answer in the next step. So I want to continue the equation. So I want to get the answer is what? X plus x is equals to x plus 9. Now I got the answer. So this is the way. At first, what it has done, x equals to 16 plus y. So it add 16 plus y, the value of y, and then whatever the value of x it got it. So it put in the in this x plus 9, and it has given me the answer. So the next step, I'm going to tell you again another equation. For example, I want to write it down. Z is equals to x 90x plus 56y. It is not giving me the answer. What is the correct? So it is going to tell me what is the correct equation is. So it will be z equals to 90 steric x, and the next thing is 56 steric y. And I don't want its solution right now, and I'm going to put semicolon over here. And what is next? I want to, whatever the value I got it, z equals to, so what I want, z plus y plus x. Now I need the answer. So what it has done, whatever the value stored in xy, it will put it, and it will add, it will put this number, whatever the answer it get it, and it put it here, and then I added all the three variables, and I got the answer. So this is the one way that you can do it. For example, you are doing if you want to make more equations and then you want any calculations and any answer, so then you can do that. So the next step in which what I am going to tell you, The next another command is I want to show you is that whose. What does it mean by that? So let me tell you is that I have put a lot of variables over here, and you can see A and S, what it is written over here. When I will put WHOS, whose, I got name, whatever the variable I have provided, its size, bytes, and class. And most of the variables you will find it in the Matlab, but in other programming languages it will be different. But in the Matlab, it always show is like double. But in case of S, why it is giving it char? Char means character. Char means character. These are the bytes. And why it is showing these are the characters, I have previously defined it. So right now I am not going to discuss it. I will provide it at first, and then I will tell you what is this. And you can see why it is showing double, and all the numbers are showing it double. So why it is showing char for some variables. So let me check it out. For example, I am taking s is equals to, and I am going to take it in single commas new. I'm writing it here, and it is showing s is equals to new. New is the number and character, you can say. So when I will write it down WHOS, so it will show s is equals to 6 character. So 6 char, it means it's a character, it's not a number. So when you are providing the number to any variable, so what it will say that the class is double. All the numbers will show that these are double. And when and if you are providing any value, anything within the commas, so it will inverted commas, so what it will show that it is character. So this is the way that you can provide different variables to the in the command window, and you will get the answers as well. For example, I want to static 95, so I will get the answer. So for example, s is equals to, I am writing down that, for example, my name is Shahzad, and no, it's double comma. I have to put Nahid Shahzad. So what had happened? So now you can see now it is showing that s equals to Nahid Shahzad. So for example, if I will click on s and enter, then I will get Nahid Shahzad. Now check it out, WHO's whose. So it is showing that s is equals to still character. For example, I am going to provide s equals to 1090. So what had happened? I am going to check it out what it is showing. Now you can see the s is, it is showing that it is double. Now one thing I want to tell you as well. For example, yes is equals to, you are providing any variable to the yes. For example, I am providing 1 to the yes, and I am using comma and writing no is equals to 0. So now you can see that even I can provide the values to the variables in a single line by introducing comma over here. So yes means 1 and no means 0. So for example, if I want to add yes plus no, so the answer will be this. So yes plus no, and I am going to provide what? I am going to provide here this, and I want to write yes static 2. So what will happen, because the value of yes is 1, and I took 2, so it is coming out to be static because it is the multiplication. So what is the next thing which I am going to tell you is that, for example, x is equals to 90, comma, y is equals to 40, comma, z is equals to, let me check it out, z is equals to -2. Now I have provided all three variables in a single line, and I have given the different values to all the three variables by using comma. So now and I hope you already understand it, how you can use comma, inverted comma. And even you must know that after watching this video, that how you can use your semicolon as well in the here. And one more thing we have learned today is that SQRT, that is square root. The next thing which I am going to tell you is that what it is actually. That is very interesting because it is looking like that we are getting so bored. So the new thing which I want to tell you is that you have one option of preferences over here. And when you are in the preferences, so what you can do, for example, you have to go into the colors and Matlab color preferences. So these are the colors for which what you have to do. Use system colors. So in which you have option for the background or the text. For example, right now I have background is of white, and whatever I have written over there, that is black. So for example, I want to change this. I want to make background black, and the written words should be white, and you can see these things are coming white. But another thing you must notice over here, that some words are coming to be green, and you can see these are this it has the color mustard, then purple, and all that. So what you have to do next, for example, let me show you. First you have to uncheck this when you are going to change the color of the background with the text. For example, if I will do that, then it is default one, that is the background is white and front one is the black color. Now you can see Matlab syntax highlighting colors. So keywords, strings, system commands, everything has different coloring you can provide it. It's your own choice. Whatever the color you want to check it out, you want to select it, you can do that. So whatever the color you want to change it, you can do that. So the next thing, Matlab command window colors. So you can see this is the important where we are working on it right now, command window. So on command window, you can have error text color red, hyperlinks blue, warning text orange, and you can see over here the color coding. Syntax highlighting samples are over here, command window sample are written over here. So after changing these colors, what you have to do, you have to click on the apply tab. And when you click on the apply tab, the color of the window will be changed. Right now, I'm not interested to change it, so I'm not going to apply it. But I just want to inform you that how can you change the MATLAB color preferences, and you can do it on the tabs. You can search it out. Let me cancel this one, and you can find these preferences over here. And when you click on there, then there is a window open here, and after the heading of the MATLAB, you can find out the subheadings as well: apps, code analyzer, and colors. So when you go in the colors, so what you can do, you can put MATLAB color preferences, so you can change it. So this is the very good option if you are having color issues, or you if you are having allergy in your eyes, so you can change the color. And sometimes it doesn't look good, so you want to change it, so you can do that. So the next thing which I am going to do, that is that the next thing which I am going to do, some commands I'm going to discuss. Just want to give you the recap that how can you do that. For example, I am making a bigger question, and what is that? For example, I am making x caps 2 plus 2276 static y. Then what is the next thing? Z static z caps 3. So for example, you are making this equation, and let me check it out, that you will get the answer, and that is coming out to be 19132. And if you want to check the characters, so you can do it by writing a WHOs, and in this way you will be able to understand which variable is the character and which variable is the double. So the next thing which I have already told you, that you can provide the variety. For example, x equals to 90, y equals to 78, y is equals to 78, and comma is equals to z is equals to 99. And these are the variables are stored in it. So I will do, for example, x static, y static, z. and the answer I got it. So what I can do is square root sqrt. In bracket, I'm going to write down the answer, and the answer I got it right now, 694980. So this one. And if you want to save this worksheet, so you can do it here from save workspace, and it will be saved into your obviously wherever you want to save it, you can do it. Even if you want it into the desktop, you can do it. If you want to do it in the Matlab file, so you can do it as well. But the file extension name will be mat-files.mat. So this is the way to you can save your document, whatever the work you have done that. So this is the time to say you goodbye. Hopefully you have understand that how can you work on the Matlab, and this is my second video on it. Obviously the third video is in the lineup. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is the time to say you bye bye. Okay, now friends, what you have to do after watching my videos, you should have to subscribe to Engineer Nahid Shahzad YouTube channel and follow me at www.nahidshahzad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.